Good morning, students. Today we will be starting with a new and interesting chapter, Arithmetic Progression. Ria is solving some numerical puzzles. Let's help her in finding the missing numbers. She observes that the numbers in the first puzzle are arranged in a particular pattern. By adding 2 to the first number, the next number is obtained. Then, the next number is obtained by adding 3 to the previous number. The next is obtained by adding 4 to the previous number, and so on. By following the same pattern, Ria finds the missing number by adding 6 to 15. So the missing number is 21. Now, in the second puzzle, Ria observes that every number is obtained by adding 4 to the previous number. 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, and so on. So she easily finds the missing number by adding 4 to 21. So the missing number is 25. Observe that in both the sets of numbers, the numbers are arranged in a definite order and follow a particular pattern. Such a set of numbers is called as a sequence. So we can define a sequence as a set of numbers where the numbers are arranged in a definite order according to a particular pattern. The terms in a sequence are denoted by T1, T2, T3 and so on. Observe the second sequence. We observe that every number is obtained by adding the same number, that is 4, to the previous number. Such a sequence is called as an arithmetic progression or AP. Here, since every number is obtained by adding the same number to the previous, the difference between any two consecutive numbers here remains constant. So we can define an AP as a sequence wherein the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. In an arithmetic progression, the first term T1 is denoted by the small letter a, and the difference between any two consecutive terms is called as the common difference, denoted by the letter D. Practice set 3.1. Question 1. Which of the following sequences are AP? If they are AP, find the common difference. We name the terms in the given sequence as T1, T2, T3 and so on. The given numbers will form an AP only if the difference between any two consecutive numbers is constant. So let us first find the difference between T2 and T1. Next, we find the difference between T3 and T2. Next, find the difference between T4 and T3. Observe that the difference between any two consecutive terms here is a constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP with D equal to 1 upon 2. Next question. We again name the terms as T1, T2, T3 and so on. We find the difference between the consecutive terms T2 and T1. We take the next two terms and find the difference. Similarly, find the difference between T4 and T3. Observe that the difference between any two consecutive terms here is a constant, that is 4. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP with common difference equal to 4. Next question. We name the terms as T1, T2, T3 and so on. Find the difference between T2 and T1. Next, we find the difference between T3 and T2. Next, we find the difference between T4 and T3. Observe that the difference between any two consecutive terms here is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP with common difference is equal to root 2.